Sanay kayo sa relay na games. Guess the song, title, and then sing it. Okay? So, ganito gagawin natin, First to get 3 songs right. Kapag nahulaan, dapat yung 3 makakanta. Okay, bawal isa lang ang kakanta. So, pag nakakanta na si Zendy, next song, pag nahulaan, si Shirley naman. Okay? Hanggang makakuha ng 3 correct answers. Okay ba yun? Let's give them a round of applause, everybody! Okay. Okay, ipe-play yung music. So, sasabihin ko lang, DJ, play the music. And then, papakinggan nyo lang. Isisigaw nyo, Mark, sa kamay, Mark and Baby. Pag alam nyo, Mark and Baby. Okay? Huwag masyad, baka may mga sobrang competitive dito. Kalma lang ka. Ano dito, ang prize dito ay bragging rights. Pero may raffle mamaya, baka matawag kayo. Okay, ready ba tayo dyan? Okay, try lang natin Sample lang, sample. Okay? DJ, play the music. Music number 1. Next. Okay, Mark, pause. Ano ang song title?
Love on Top.
Love on Top? Try natin. Sample lang to, guys. Sing it!
Singer! Ang hirap kakatay.
Try natin yung chorus. Okay, ready? Oh! Sample pa lang yun, pero bigay na si Jet. So, alam na Okay. Ready? Ano bang mga song natin? 90s? Gen Z? Okay. Ready na ba kayo? Okay ready Sisigaw lang. Mark and Baby. Taas ang kamay. Okay. Bawal ang all friend. Okay, first song. Song number 10. Ready? Song number 10. Ayan na. Okay, pause.
I want it that way.
Oh! Okay. Sing it! Pumasok sa ano. Okay, 1 point group 1 and group 2. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo. Okay, 1-0. Okay, next. Play music number 9. Ready Parang video okay lang no? Ano ba yan? Pause. Mark and Baby. Where is the love is correct? Sing it! Okay, 2-0. Kaya pa. Okay. Comeback. 2-0, parang NBA lang. Oh, song number 6. Sana makuha. Sigitin na to. Sing it. 1, 2, 3.
Huwag ka na mawala. Huwag ka na mawala. Dadalhin ka sa aming bahay. Di tayo magkaaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
Alright! Palakpakan naman natin. 2-1. Grabe. Kala ko grabe yung kita eh. Okay, next. Ako, baka last na to ha. I-try natin to. Song number... Ay. Song number 20. Song number 20.
You already know it.
Okay, anong song, boss? Watch Me Whip? Oh, pwede na yun. Okay! Okay, wait! May twist tayo. Dance it! Play! Play! Lahat kayo, tatlo kayo. Go. Dito, play, play. Lahat kayo, tatlo kayo. Play, play. Hindi na lang. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh!
Ay, oh.
5, 6, 7, 8! Oh! Hey! Okay, last. Sabi nila, buti na lang matawag. Okay, last. But not, ay, baka hindi na sumagot to. Kanta na to ulit, promise. Okay, last but not the least, play song number 16. Finals na to ha. Okay. Eye of the Tiger! Play music! Wait. May twist tayo ulit. Hindi, lahat. Siyempre, Eye of the Tiger. Anong ginagawa ni ano doon? Ay, nagbo-boxing. Okay, dito tayo sa harap! Training tayo! Play music! Okay, dito. Go! Training! Workout! Boxing! Lahat! Oh, go! Hey! Okay, a round of applause for Group 1! Palakpakan naman natin. Siyempre palakpakan din natin ang Group 2. Okay. Nasa inyo ang bragging rights. Nasa inyo ang right to eat. Okay! Okay, palakpakan na po natin sila. Thank you so much. You may now go back to your seat.